think this event has been a sort of a milestone, mainly because India stands at the what is called as a turning the page.
See, what I feel in general is that the need to move towards a sustainable future is quite clear with us.
It is very important that people start talking about it, because once they start talking about it, it will in some way go down into their minds and hearts, and therefore the businesses will tend to become sustainable over the next couple of years.
All this will happen only if we think in terms of a major transformation. A major transformation not driven by me or driven by an individual or by you. No, it's a transformation where every Indian has to chip in with the best strength he or she has got at his or her disposal.
I think we need to percolate down this vision into the practices. Let's see, it is sustainable transport, it is green manufacturing, and now people are even calling about the green marketing.
One of the solutions that we keep talking about is demand side management for anything, which I agree fully. Not just supply side solution, demand side management. In my opinion, the biggest demand side solution is population control, because that's create demand.
Today we had a very good conversation with investors. So now they're saying that, okay, yes, there is more information, but how to use that information?
I think this, the whole initiative that you're having, sustainable leadership, it's a convergence of extraordinary minds. I think it's a brilliant amalgamation of the potential, the existing leadership who can lead India to the next level of a sustainable future.
The challenge in itself may seem larger than life, but at the same time it provides an opportunity to find solutions, and I think that is where the beauty lies. The question is, are we willing to take that step? And the very fact there's a few people who have, and they've done it so well, is a reason for many others to get inspired by it, and I hope that happens.